Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we're going to look at styling our text. Okay. So first off, I'm going to remove the second section because we don't need it in this particular area. And I'll say, and I'll remove the styles for second section and the styles for the first. Okay. So we have our space here. We can see everything clear. Now, hello world is fine. Now, in styling text in CSS, okay, we've seen our color property, and okay, first off, I'm going to save this and refresh the page so we just have hello world. So in styling our text, we've seen the color property, which we can set to whatever it is we want. So I'll just go with red and I'll save and refresh the page, and then it's red. Okay. Also, there are different other properties we can add to our text, and in no particular order. I'm just gonna say, so if I want to increase the size of my text, basically what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna say font hyphen size. Okay, and I can go ahead and say 18 pixels, 18px, and then I'll save and I'll refresh. Boom, so it's bigger. So the default is actually 16 pixels. Then I'll refresh. This is the default. Now there's another value for our text, and that is the EM value. So 16 pixels is actually equals to 1 EM, and I'll save and refresh. Okay, so 16 times 16 is 32, right? So I'm going to say 2 EM and I'll save, and the text will be twice the size. But if I change this 2 EM to 32 pixels instead, then I save and refresh, still the same. So I can use either of the values, so EM or pixels. So I'm just going to leave this to 16 pixels normal. Okay, and then I'll save. So I'll refresh the page. Now, what if I wanted to make this text bold? I just say font weight. Okay, and I'll set it to bold, and then I'll save and refresh. So you can see our hello world is bold. Okay, so what if I wanted to make this text centered, so it's at the left edge of the page? What if I wanted to put it in the center? Basically what I'll do is I'll say text align, and I'll set it to center and save. I refresh the page and boom, text is at the center. What if I want it to be on the right edge of the page? I just change this to, what am I doing here? I just change this to right and save, which is not common anyway, but it's at the right. I just wanted you to know. So, but I'll leave it as center, and then I'll save. All right, so what if I wanted to add some kind of decoration, like an underline to the text? I'll just get to say text hyphen decoration. So I don't know if you noticed, but we're always joining two words with a hyphen with our CSS. So that's how you don't leave space when you're writing your CSS. So if I say text decoration, I'll now say underline. So, and then I'll save. And let's see. Boom. So we have our text underline. So, but sometimes you may want to make your text capital letters all through. Okay. So to do that, what I gotta do, I gotta say text transform. So I want to transform the text to upper case, and then I'll save and refresh. So if I want everything to be lowercase, I can just change this to lower case and save, and I refresh. So basically the capitalize, essentially what it does is that it makes the first letter of every word capital letter. So for us to see that, I first of all need to remove this style and change my word to small letter. That's the hello world. I'll change the hello world to small letter. So basically this is hello world, and have I saved this? So basically only the hello, the H is capitalized, the world is small. Now if I set the text transform to capitalize and save, what happens is that it's gonna make the W in the world capital letter. So it turns the first letter of every word, to capital letter. So if I refresh, boom, so we have it. So text transform, we can transform to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. Okay. So basically there are more stylings for our text. Basically you can just say CSS and text, and of course W3 school comes up first. So basically text formatting, you see a lot of different formats from color. Some of them we've covered and some we've not. So just feel free to go through the W3 school resources, and you're going to see a lot. So thank you for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.